In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom size on Canva. This is a fantastic feature for those of you working on large format projects like tarpaulin designs or oversized prints, where the standard Canva templates just won't cut it. Custom sizing lets you set your own dimensions, giving you the flexibility and precision you need for your specific design requirements. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Canva website. If you're not already logged into your account, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. Logging in ensures you have access to all your saved designs and any premium features tied to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, a familiar space filled with creative possibilities. Now, direct your attention to the search bar. But instead of typing in a design type or keyword, hover right below it, and you'll see an option pop up that says Custom Size. This feature opens the door to custom specifications, so go ahead and click on it. It's here that you'll set the specific dimensions for your project. Let's say you're working on a large canvas, something that measures 3 feet by 4 feet. Now in inches, that would be 36 inches in height and 48 inches in width. Before you type in these numbers, it's crucial to adjust the unit of measurement to inches if it's not already set. Canva offers several options like pixels, millimeters, and centimeters, but for this example, inches are the unit of choice, providing clarity and precision for larger designs. Once you've selected inches from the drop-down menu, go ahead and type in 48 for the width and 36 for the height. It's that simple. Make sure there are no mix-ups with the values, as this will ensure your design fits perfectly when printed. Now, with your dimensions all set, it's time to bring your design to life. There's a big, inviting button saying, Create New Design, waiting for you to click it. This will open up a blank document, perfectly tailored to your custom size specifications. From here, your creativity takes the lead. Add elements, text, images, and colors that align with your vision, knowing that it's all perfectly sized for your specific project needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create custom-sized designs on Canva. Using this feature can save you time and hassle, ensuring your project is printed exactly as you envisioned. Keep experimenting with different dimensions to find what works best for your creative endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!